Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use the negative verb to be in English. The basic rule is very simple. Look at this. We have subject plus verb to be plus not and plus complement. Let's see how it works. For the first person we use am not or the short form I'm not. For singular pronouns like he, she, and it, we use is not or isn't. And for plural pronouns and you, we use are not or aren't. Short forms are very common in everyday conversations. Let's look at some examples for the first person. In full form, we can say I'm not a doctor. Using the short form, we say I'm not tired. Notice how natural the contraction sounds, right? Moving on to the second group, he, she, and it, we use isn't. For example, he isn't at the office, she isn't angry, and it isn't cold today. Simple. And for you, we and they, we use aren't. Look at these examples. You aren't late. We aren't ready. And they aren't students. Perfect for describing what people are not doing or being. Now let's continue to read the last history using the verb to be in negative. Your history contest for the first person. Today is not a regular day for me, and I'm not following my normal routine. I'm not waking up early because I'm not working this morning. I'm stressed about my classes, and I am not in a rush to go anywhere. Right now, I'm not busy at all. I'm just sitting in my living room, drinking a cup of coffee, and enjoying a quiet moment before the afternoon starts. Here's our second history contest focusing on you. When you look at your schedule today, you can see that you aren't overwhelmed with too many tasks. You aren't late for your appointments, and you aren't behind on your English studies because you practice every single day. You aren't alone in this journey either. Even if sometimes you like it, you aren't required to know everything right now. So you aren't under any pressure. Take a deep breath because you aren't doing anything wrong. You are doing a fantastic job. A good motivation. And for our third history contest, we look around the house. The weather today isn't cold or cloudy, but it isn't too hot either. My mother isn't cooking lunch right now because we ordered food from our favorite restaurant. My brother isn't playing video games in his room. He's helping me clean the kitchen meanwhile. Our cat isn't sleeping on the sofa. He's watching us closely from the floor. Everything isn't completely white, but the house isn't noisy or chaotic. They aren't bored at all, and it isn't a boring day in our house. Let's continue. It's time to practice. Look at the first challenge. The positive sentence is he is happy. How do we make it negative? What do you think? He isn't happy. Let's do two more. For we are late, the negative is we aren't late. And for this one, I'm a teacher. The negative is I'm not a teacher. Great. Our final practice challenge, they are home. Change is to negative. They aren't at home. Excellent. job. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more lessons. See you later. Bye bye.